No.
Good afternoon. My name is Joanny Alvarado. Today we're going to be working with Course English 0100, the topic plurals, part 1. And we're going to start with rule number 1, which says we have to add ES for those words that end on SH, CH, Z, X, and S. For example, dish, dishes, bench, benches, waltz, waltzes, box, boxes, dress, dresses. There is some exceptions. In this case, stomach. Why stomach an exception? Because when we pronounce stomach, the CH sounds like a K, which is a consonant. So we're just going to add S. Rule number 2 is the rule of the O. And it goes this way. Consonant plus O equals adding ES. Example, tomato. Ends in an O and is preceded by a consonant. So we're going to write tomatoes, add ES. If we have a vowel plus O equals adding S. Example, radio. Ends in an O is preceded by a vowel, so it becomes radios. Okay? Rule number 3 is the rule of the Y. It goes this way. Consonant plus Y equals IES. Example, city. Ends in a Y is preceded by a consonant, so we're going to cancel the Y, change it for the I, and then add ES. Cities. Vowel plus Y equals adding S. Example in toy. Ends in Y is preceded by a vowel, so we're going to write toys, just adding an S. Rule number 4, say that for all related to music, you're going to add S. Some examples are banjo, banjos, solo, solos, guitar, guitars. Doesn't matter how is the ending, okay? As long as it's related to music, we're going to add S. Rule number 5 is the rule of irregular nouns, which equals adding S for all those words that do not relate to any other of the rules. Example, bed ends in a D, beds. Rule ends in a vowel, rules. Fan ends in a consonant, fans. Okay? Rule number 6 is the rule of the F or FE, okay? Equals adding VES. Examples, wife. Ends in FE, we're going to cancel FE and switch it for VES, wife. We have leave. Ends in a F, we're going to cancel that F, switch it for a VES, switches to leave, okay? There are some exceptions. The exceptions, we're going to be adding S to it. For example, believe. Believe ends in an S, but we cannot switch for VES. We're just going to add an S. Why? Because if we do switch it for a VES, then the word is going to change into a verb, and it stops being a noun. Well, this is all for today. Thank you. If you have any questions or doubts, you may write to me, J. Alvarado, which is my email, and that'll be all. Thank you.